Water. The most representative element of nature. But have you ever really thought about its power? We are used to leaving the cleaning and disinfection of our environment in the hands of hazardous chemicals and pollutants, putting the health of those around us at stake. What if we substitute that with simple running water? Is it possible? Laundry Pro makes it come true. This innovative device, made in the USA and certified by Space Technology, uses the ActivePure technology to generate a photocatalytic reaction in the running water and turn it into the most effective element against dirt and diseases. Laundry Pro is easy to install. The treated water is passed through the tap in the device, and thanks to its disinfecting and degreasing powers, the water is perfect for general house or office cleaning. Unlike other devices, Laundry Pro doesn't use any dangerous or potentially harmful elements such as ozone, silver ions, or other contaminating substances, which makes it more respectful and innocuous with people and the environment. Thanks to the second tap connection to the washing machine, the daily laundry is done with cold-treated water and without the need to use detergents or fabric softeners. This prolongs the lives of home appliances and fabrics. Moreover, with Laundry Pro, the cleaning detergent costs completely disappear, which leads to yearly savings of $800 per family. Join this cleaning, hygienic, and environmental innovation and take advantage of the power of water.